To replace the bulbs, first you need to open this cover from the back of the taillight. Remove the bulb holder by pressing these 4 side clips. To remove a bulb, press it and twist it counterclockwise. You can see every bulb type on the back of the holder. Place the bulb holder in place and press it until it clicks. Now you can close the cover. Thank you for watching. If it was useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I will try to answer all of you.